250-ish something. Thank you for sharing the live, animal. And then I don't know, maybe she's gonna absent today. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Hi Mojo, welcome back. Ikaw ba yan? Multilingual na ako ngayon. Guy, nakaka-friend. He is from, I don't know, India. Mag-jogging ta sa Coastal Road. Tara, Tech. Mahadlok mo kung mag-jog-jog diri uy kay. There's a news here that someone is walking around 4 a.m. in the morning, and then suddenly there's what do you call this one? Two rider. I mean, basta. They were two guys riding in tandem, riding in tandem. Then the guy just walking, passing through. Then suddenly, bang, bang, and then ganon. And then he died. Sadly, he died. Yeah. Why are you laughing? It's not funny though. Why are you laughing? It's a sad story. Yeah. Also, it's really not it's really not good for you to go out when it's midnight or look who is smiling. Who? Well, not me. I'm not smiling though. Hi, Black Black. Good morning. Anyways, as I was saying, there's also a student from our school happens to have disgrace, disgrace, an accident, collision. She's from ano, she lives far away for like you need to travel for an hour to get here. That's how far is her house was, and then she was doing some project, I think, in her classmate's house here in our place. Then after that, later that night, she went home around, I think, 2 a.m. or I don't know. But it's safe to walk to McDo at 3 a.m. I don't think so. Maybe because I'm still alive though. And then she was she was having a collision with, I think it's a van or basta it's a four-wheeled car. She was ano, piste man yung English eh. She was going home na. Then suddenly, then she died though. Sadly, she died. Yeah. If my mom was gonna knew about that, I think she will gonna get my motor na. She won't allow me to drive anymore. She was from our school. She was she had that accident here in our place though. Yeah. Why are you happy? Hello, Yakult. Good morning. Hello, Pa Augustus.